All right, so this is a quick video to help you with assignment view. Let me assign it to everybody. Fall semester. Oh, no. Oh, my bad. There we go. Z1, which is going to go up to 70%. Clear? And so here we go. It says solve for t, and they give you t squared equals 36. And it says solve a quadratic equation using square roots. Yeah, with Desmos help, okay? Desmos is going to use the square roots. So you're going to type it in, t squared equals 36. And you're like, whoa, what's wrong, Desmos? Why is this triangle doing there? We only support implicit equations of x and y. Oh, I forgot. I didn't forget. I'm acting, guys. X, they want x, not t. And voila, there are your two solutions. One is -6 and the other one is +6. These are the roots. -6 and 6, okay? Yay! Another one, p squared equals 100. So in this case, it's going to be x squared equals 100. And go and behold, -10 and +10. All right, let's see if we can find something. Nope. Why are they so easy? All right, so how many real solutions does this equation have? Let's see. All right, so let's talk about this. X squared. X squared has one solution because it only touches and then it bounces back up the x-axis. So that's indicative of one solution. This one is going to be indicative of two solutions. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. You see, this one only touches the x-axis once, whereas the green one touches the x-axis 2 times. Get rid of that 0. That's how you know that you have two solutions. Remember, the solutions can be rational numbers or irrational numbers. And maybe with a 4, it'll look nicer. There we go. See? Two solutions. And something like this is going to have no solutions. Why? Because this function has a y-intercept. You see how it's never going to touch the x-axis? Right? Because it comes down, it reaches 4, and then it goes back up, which means it'll never reach a y value of 0. So this one has no solutions. All right, so let's retrace this. X squared touches 1, so it has one solution. This one touches the x-axis twice, so it has two solutions. And this one doesn't touch the x-axis, so it has no solutions. And of course, they come in variety, right? Because it could be x plus 1. And we're going to talk about transformations. All right, let me move it a little bit more. So this one shifted, but you see it's still only touching the x-axis one. So it still only has one solution. And this one, you can shift it as well. -4, that's going to be this green one. And it still is going to have two solutions because it's going to touch the x-axis twice. And same thing with this one. We can shift it to the right or to the left. Oops, we already had the x there. All right, where are you? Oh, I need some color. And see, even though it's shifted, it has a y-intercept. But right around 4, it turns around and it goes back up. So it is never going to touch the x-axis, so no solution. Oh, I over-explained that. My apologies. So w squared remember, can I use w? So x squared plus 0 equals 0. Right? And you see how you get nothing? All right, since it equals 0, we can get rid of this. And does this graph it? Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. We didn't have any colors, of course we weren't going to see anything. There it is. So how many times? We're down to 5, see? There we go. So there's really only one solution. Now, if you don't believe me because you only get one vertical line, you're like, well, what if I can't see the other vertical line? What if I don't know it's there? Okay, so then if it says equals 0, we can get rid of it. Clear? There you go. You're only touching the x-axis once. All right, so one real solution. This one says 9k squared or 9x squared equals 81. There you go. So negative 3 and positive 3. All right, how many solutions does this one have? So we do 7x squared minus 35 equals 0. And if it says, I mean, you don't even have to because we can actually see both vertical lines. That's if you wanted to make sure, okay? You're going to have two real solutions, right? Because we get two vertical lines. All right. And you just go ahead and type them. So I hope this was useful. And let me know if you have any questions.